Hello friends, I'm Colonel Chehel, and in this video we will be talking about what is it that the GTO sees in you when he puts you through the outdoor tasks. तो ये जो अलग अलग टास्क हैं जैसे कि इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल टास्क या दी स्नेक रेस और दी टास्क ऑफ दी आउटडोर लीडरलेस ग्रुप टास्क जैसे PGT, हाफ ग्रुप टास्क, कमांड टास्क, फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क, तो इन अलग अलग टास्क में what does GTO see in you, we will look at that. Now first of all, in the individual obstacle task, GTO is primarily looking at your physical fitness, your stamina, your agility, your body balance, coordination between your limbs, and basically more of your physical attributes are being checked by him. He is also looking at your planning and organizing skills कि जब आप ये अपना सर्किट प्लान करते हो, जब इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल में आप एक ऑब्स्टिकल से दूसरे ऑब्स्टिकल पे जाते हो, सो आर यू डूइंग इट इन अ हैपोजिट मैनर और हैव यू प्लान्ड इट आउट. जब GTO आपको ऑब्स्टिकल्स दिखाएंगे उस टाइम यू मस्ट प्लान इन योर माइंड कि मैं इनको किस तरतीब से करूँगा. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वन इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट विच GTO इज़ चेकिंग आउट. ही इज़ ऑल्सो सीइंग कि भाई आर यू अ रैश पर्सन. जल्दबाजी में क्या आप ऐसे हो कि जिसको चोट लग सकती है, यू अननेसेसरली पुटिंग योरसेल्फ इन डेंजर बाय बीइंग रैश. So you should not be rash. You should be quick but not rash. Also, he is looking at any phobias that you may have. Some candidates have phobia of heights, some have phobia of a ditch. तो इस तरह का कोई आपको phobia तो नहीं है. That is what GTO will be evaluating when he puts you through the individual obstacle task. Now when he takes you to the snake race के अंदर primarily GTO is looking at your team spirit. He is looking at कि भाई इसमें the will to win कितनी है, आप में वो जीत का कितना जुनून है, आपकी टीम के लिए आप कितना दम लगा सकते हो. That is what GTO is looking at. So therefore make sure that you are like a person who is giving every ounce of your energy to the group's goal, which is to win this race. So that is what the GTO is looking at. He is looking at your ability to be part of the group and contribute in that group in a positive manner, in a spirited manner. That is what he is looking at. एंड जो ये आउटडोर लीडरलेस ग्रुप टास्क होते हैं जैसे PGT, हाफ ग्रुप टास्क वगैरह, उसमें व्हाट द GTO इज़ लुकिंग एट इज़ योर एबिलिटी टू बी इफ़ेक्टिव एज पार्ट ऑफ अ टीम. सो इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि भाई फिनिश लाइन में आप कितनी जल्दी पहुंच गए. सो दैट इज़ वन बिग मिस्टेक विच स्पेशली कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव बीन बैडली कोच्ड, दे फील कि भाई अगर हम फिनिश लाइन तक पहुंच गए जल्दी से तो वी विल गेट रिकमेंडेड. No, that is not so important. What is more important is the process of reaching the finish line. How were you coming across as a team member? आप कितने logically अपने ideas बता पा रहे थे, आप कितने practical थे in your outlook, what were you telling other people, how were you telling other people, were you sensitive to other people when somebody was giving an idea कि आप हर बार हर एक को overrule कर रहे हो या कभी कभी किसी और को भी include कर रहे हो, involve कर रहे हो. So it is very important for you to encourage others, to involve others because it is a team's effort and not an individual effort. So in between you have to keep reminding yourself कि भाई सारे ideas मेरे को नहीं देने, I have to encourage other people as well. मान लो आपने 2-3 ideas दे दिए. It may be a good idea now to say, okay, yeah, just number 5, let's try your idea first. If it doesn't work, I also have an idea. And second big mistake which especially coached candidates make is that they tend to give very, very coached, very, very difficult ideas when very simple ideas are possible. So it's very important for you to understand how to apply whatever that you've learned. Please do not look at complex idea. The simpler the idea, it shows clarity of mindset. जितने आप simple idea दोगे, that means you are a very clear-headed person. So look at the simplest way possible rather than looking for a complex ideas and thinking that that is what is going to impress the GTO. That is what coached candidates feel. So please remain simple, please remain group-minded and carry the team along with you. It is not the end result which is important कि आप कितनी जल्दी finish line पे पहुँचे, but it is the process of reaching the finish line that is what is important. So make sure that you keep these points in mind and keep asking yourself in between कि भाई क्या मैं इस ग्रुप में एक ग्रुप इफेक्टिव कैंडिडेट की तरह नज़र आ रहा हूँ कि मैं ऐसे ही अकेला ही अपना ही तूती बजा रहा हूँ. So it's very, very important for you to remain group minded all along. So I hope you'll find these inputs useful. All the best. See you again.